Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp audio or video call not connecting on Wi-Fi but working on mobile data on your iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, launch settings and tap channel. Now tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 2. Turn on local network under WhatsApp. For that, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on privacy. Under privacy, we have to tap on local network, and under local network, enable WhatsApp. After that, go back to settings, scroll down, find and tap on WhatsApp, and turn on local network if is turned off. Solution number 3. Check update for WhatsApp. To check that, tap and hold App Store and tap update. Now we have to check the list if there is any update available for WhatsApp. If there is, then we have to tap on update. Solution number 4. Check for software update. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and tap general. Under general, tap on software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset network settings. For that, go to settings and tap general. Now scroll down and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.